Hi, in this tutorial we will talk about link layers. So link layers give Photoshop layers an amazing feature. You can link all the layers and any feature that you apply to is applied on all layers. So let's move forward and discuss link layers. So link layers basically what it does it updates multiple documents at once. Normally in a general case whatever effect or mode you add is only added to your active layer. But if you link the layers so multiple documents will get that effect on them. So you can changes made on the original document is applied to all the link layers and you can simply click at the link cursor to create link layers. So let's move forward into Photoshop and understand deeply what are link layers. Let's dive in. Linking of layers in Photoshop means that whatever happens to a single layer happens to the others. It's as simple as just imagine the layers are holding hands, and whatever happens to one layer will have to happen to the other layer. So right now I have these separate three layers. Let me just quickly just show you. This is my first layer, which is, so let me just hide the other layers and show you my top layer, which is already visible. Let me make visible my second layer. I'm going to hide this one, all of them, and make visible the second one, and again a last one by just hiding. So these are my three layers, and I wish to make a collage, a rough collage of all of them together. So I'm really going to do a Control T here, Control T, and so I'm going to go to Edit and have my transformation. So let me just select this layer and now do a Control T, and I'm going to generally bring it here. So I have to move a little, and this is my layer. I'm going to come back to this layer again. I'm going to do Control T. So I have to select this layer first. So I'm going to do Cancel. I have to be on that layer to apply the transformation to that layer, which I just did. So again, I'm going to do this. And so I have this layer, and again I'm going to do okay, apply. Again I'm now going to come back to my third layer, which is this. So I have to make this visible. Again I will do a Control T and just bring it a little back. So it's just about a rough selection of what I was trying to do. And so this is just a rough selection. Now if I wish to, I'm going to enter now. If I wish to move these things over each other, and if I want to move them, so I'm going to go to a particular layer, use my move tool and move them. Again, if I wish to this layer, and if I move this, go to the move tool and start moving this, it's gonna move like this. So basically what is it, let me bring this up. So what is basically being happening is that all layers are separate and they're working separately. Now let me just press Control and start clicking on all the layers. And now let me just go here and on this icon here of link layers and link this layer. Now let me just move them. So as you see now they're moving together. Whatever wherever I move them, they will move together because now these layers are linked. So this is how you can link all your layers. If you want to move them together, want to apply something to them, you can make separate layers become one part by linking them together. So that's it with linking layers in Photoshop.